Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, how are you? I hope you are fine, doing well. I'm glad to see you again with the new tutorials. This tutorials actually is a little bit different from basics from any theory subject. This subject today is almost for practical. Actually, the story of this video is one of my project. I was working with voice project, and this voice project, one of its requirements, it's to configuration the UCCX, Cisco Unified Contact Center Express. So with business edition, of course. So during this, I didn't work with this one before, but this is the first time for me to work with this, and I found it's very awesome, very interesting topics to work with this. So today, or in this tutorial, we are going to show you how to configure, how to use the scripts. Actually, in this one, if you want to use this CUCCX, you have to have some knowledge or basics about programming, about how to make scripts. So this is the first thing you have to know about it. So we are going to use the CCX editor. We are going to create scripts. These scripts I will describe for you how we are going to do it step by step. So this tutorial took from me, or this scripts to finish it, actually it took from me around 5 days searching, asking, reading about how to do it, because this is the first time for me. I watch many videos, but every video has specific things. But in this tutorial, in this video, I hope it will cover most of basics things, and it will guide you. Really, it will guide you. If you follow what I'm going to say, it will guide you. It's very nicely to do your scripts, whatever the project you have. So this is the basic, and then you will go from your imagine. You can make any scripts you need, any scripts you want, any script the consultant he asked for you to do it. So the first things, this is actually I will work with TeamViewer because I'm in the headquarters and the data center it's far away from here. So sometimes you will see some little bit slow, but there is no problem. We will manage these things. So we are going to log in to our UCCX. As you see here, still loading. Okay, no problem. Now this is actually I did the configurations. I did the integration with my call manager. I have two call manager, two CUCM. One is subscriber, one publisher. So I already did everything for the system, so it's up and running and it's working, so there is no problem about integration. Now in this video I will not speak about that. You will find many videos about the integrations, and all videos are awesome. It's helpful or useful for you or guide you how to make integration with call manager. So this is it's not difficult, it's a piece of cake, so it will not take too much time from you. But we are going to show you here how to go to use just the UCCX. First, you can use two tools, and you can use plugins. Actually, I already installed it, but I will show you the steps how to install the CCX editor. So CCX editor is very important for you to make scripts, and it's easy to download it from inside the UCCX. So we choose tools and plugins, and after plugins you will see this is Cisco Unified CCX editor. So when you click on it, you will download it. So I will not click because I already downloaded here. It's in my server. So this is the CUCCX editor. As you see, it's empty. In this CUCCX editor, you will see many topics here in the right, or many tabs, many trees. You will see general, trigger, session, contact, menu, user, media, and we will use some of them in this tutorial. We'll use some of them, not all of them. So before I will do this script, I will open it just for you and will explain what we are going to do. Then later I will show you with step by step. Just I want to show you what I'm going to do in this tutorial. Yes, this is my script. This is the script actually. In this script I will make something. Actually this script is related to a 5-star hotel. In this hotel we are going to make a welcome message. For example, if any person from outside the hotel, he wants to call any guest, he wants to call anyone, any person inside the hotel, he will dial the main number, telephone number of the hotel. Then as usually you will hear the welcome message. This welcome message actually I will make it to let the user or to let the dialer to choose 2 language, English language or Arabic language. You can use English language, you can use Spanish, English, you can mix 2-3 languages together, there is no problem. In this tutorial I will show you the basic how to integrate 2 languages for welcome message. So the first things, he will hear a message. This message is a welcome message, welcome to blah 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 hotel. If you want to continue in English, press 1, and if you didn't press 1 for 3 seconds, it will convert you to Arabic language. Then Arabic language, he will ask you, you will enter in the menu of Arabic language, and he asks you if you know the extension number inside the hotel, press 1 or press 0 for help. Help, it's mean operator. Then 0, it will convert you or switch him to operator. So this is the main steps. So we are going to make welcome message first, and this welcome message, after that we are going to make main menu, then we are going to make English menu, and we are going to make also Arabic menu. So this is our basic. So let's get started. Close this and start from the first. So click file, here's, and click new script. Yeah, okay, blank script, whatever, no problem. Okay, so now as you see here, you will find from start or end. Okay, so the first things, go to general here, and you will find many things here, many things you can find. You can choose annotate. I will choose annotate just to describe my script. Okay, so right click like this and choose properties. Sometimes, sorry about this one. So yes, properties. Now properties, I will see this is my script. Sorry. This is my script for hotel. Okay. Now I will describe this script, what I'm going to go with this script. Just welcome message first, then if you want to continue in English, press 1, or go to Arabic language after 3 seconds. After that, so there is something called English menu and Arabic menu. I think, sorry, menu like this, just okay. So I prefer to put English menu here, yes, and after 3 seconds go to Arabic menu, yes. So apply. I prefer to make apply. Actually, this one I faced this problem. If I click OK, sometimes it will not go. Click apply first, then click OK. It's better for every step. So this is my first script for this is my script for hotel. Welcome message first. If you want to continue in English, press 1. Then it will go to English menu or go to Arabic menu after 3 seconds. If you didn't press 1, then you will go to Arabic menu. So this is my script that I'm going to do. This is my first script. Then after this start, so after start, this is annotation. This is just annotated. So the script, it will not care about it. If you write it or you didn't write, there's no problem. But it's better to write just to give you like a description for your script. So anyway, after start, you have to choose accept. You will go to trigger, not trigger, sorry. You will choose contact, yes. First you have to put this accept, okay. Accepts under start. So after you call the main hotel number, it will accept you, it will accept the calling. So there's no problem about this one here. Okay, next we are going to go to the main menu. This is the main menu. It will contain the welcome message, the main welcome message. So go to media, here is menu, just click and drag and drop just like that, yes. Okay, you will see here timeout or unsuccessful. So this is not everything in the menu. So I will go to, for example, right click, properties, okay. Here's you are going to use trigger, or you are going to use, I'm going to use prompt. For this one, I'm going to use the main menu prompt. Actually, prompt, it's like a sound or it's like a voice. You are recorded. For example, welcome to blah 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 hotel, or welcome to my establishment company. You are welcome. Something. This welcome message. You can record it. You can save it as a WAV file. So then you can upload it in your CCX and use it for script. So here is, I'm going to use a new one. So I don't have any prompt. If you click like this here, you will not find any prompt. It's empty, yes. So first click cancel, sorry. Then you will go here, click on this, choose prompt, and this prompt, call it main welcome, okay. Any name you want. You want to call it prompt welcome, you want to call it prompt main welcome, anything. This one I will use parameters because I want to add a voice, I want to add a sound file to this, so I want to use it as a parameter here. So this is our main menu, yes. So we are going to here, right click, properties, okay. Then go to prompt. Now if you click here, you will see your welcome main prompt. Here is welcome main prompt, main welcome prompt, sorry. Here is the input. keep it the same. Timeout is 3 seconds. Minimum try, I don't want to 3, just 1 is enough. This is flash input buffer, keep it no, this later we are speaking about. Filter, now you see here, this is the main menu. This is what, if the welcome message, you will get like welcome message. If you want to continue in English, press 1. So we are going to add, click on add, and this one I will call it change language, whatever this language. Click OK, then press 1. So that means change language, press 1. Got it? It's easy, straightforward. So click on apply. Before I show you something, I prefer to make a label for this menu. What does this mean? This one you can use, you can do this label with 2 ways, but I prefer this way. I prefer to add label here. For example, this is main menu label. Click on apply, click on OK, and OK. There is another way to add this label. You can go to general tab here. You can use this label here. You can choose this label and drag it here, and you can label it as a menu label, but I don't like this. I prefer to make a label inside the menu, so I will not do this one in this video. So here is, as you see here, you will see change language and you will see timeout. That means if you didn't click 1 after you hear the welcome message to change the language, then timeout here is I will configure it to let me to go to the Arabic language. So if it's unsuccessful, you can take it to go to main menu again, and you are hearing the welcome message many times. So this is what does this mean. Okay, so now we are choose number 1 for change language. Okay, so now we are going to choose a language. Okay, so let's see here, change language here. I will right click, make right click. If you see, there is nothing here, so there is nothing to do inside here. But what I'm going to do, I will use set contact info. That means if, and inside this contact info I will choose the language. So get contact or set contact, sorry, not get, set contact info, drag and drop inside here. Yeah, so right click, properties, then here you see the language. Okay, so when I press 1, it will let me go to set contact info. Inside this contact info I will choose language, so click on set here, and there is Arabic language, there is English language, there is many language you can add it in the system. So here is I want to use Arabic language, so sorry, here is I want to use English language. If I press 1, I will English language. Yes, good, apply, it's okay. Yes, now you see here, press 1, so apply again and press OK. So you'll see here, click on OK, you will see here that if I click 1, give me English language, but this one is not enough. I will show you why. Just let me check, let me finish this main menu, then we will go to another one. So if it's timeout, this is what I want. If the caller, he didn't press 1 to change language, just after 3 seconds it will switch him to Arabic language. So here is timeout. Also choose set contact info. Sorry, drag it, drop inside timeout. Yes, and right click, properties, yeah, and In this one you are going to choose set. Now here you are going to choose Arabic language, so go to Arabic language. Sorry, you can use any language you want, Spanish, Mexico, Brazilian, anything, whatever this language. So but you have to add it in your system, in your CCX UCCX system. Okay, apply and okay. Yeah, okay, so this is, he will call, then he will accept the calling, then he will let him to go to the main menu. He will hear the welcome message, hello, or you are welcome to my hotel. And if you want to continue in English, press 1. If you press 1, it will switch you to the English menu. If you didn't press 1, after 3 seconds it will let you go to another language, whatever this language. So this is, if it's unsuccessful, it is pretty nice, I will let it to go to again to the main menu. So there is another variable you can add it here. For example, yes, here is go to. That means let it go to main menu. This go to is related to label, so this is very important to add label for every step you want. So if you click properties, you will see here your label, it's main menu label. So main menu label here, click on apply and click on OK. Yeah, so it's inside here. For example, if the caller he clicked 2 or he clicked 3 by mistake, okay, then it will switch him to the main menu again. But if he didn't choose any number from the keypad of his phone, it will go it will go to Arabic language. Okay, so until now it's okay. Now we are going to, if the caller he choose 1, so we are going to create what? To create a main menu English. So English main menu, so English menu, sorry. So we are going to go to menu here again, media and menu. Minimize this better just to be more clear for you, and click on this drop under the main menu. So this one, the same content, we have unsuccessful and timeout. Right click. Before go there, because you remember this, I created main menu prompt, that is the welcome message. So I need another message or another voice message for main menu, for English menu, sorry. This one also prompt, so choose prompt, yes, and this one I will call it English menu. Okay, and this one is parameter also, I need it as a parameter, so click on OK. We didn't save this, forgot to save it, so click on save, it's better for any emergency cases will happen to us. So we will call it script 2. It's better to save it inside this script repository. So this is very important to save it here. So save it inside this default with script 2. So script 2, any name, no problem until now. Okay, and it's and it's better also to, after you save it, go to tools and show you something and make validate. Click on validate. You see, it's better to see a successful message, but here's I didn't receive any successful message. He said you can't validate because there is some validation errors. The validation error in menu, there is no option configuration. Here's that main menu, the menu here, he means in this menu, and invalid prompt also. So we are going to go configure this English menu. So right click, properties, yes, then go to prompt. Here is, I will choose the English menu prompt. So this is English menu prompt. Now go to filter. In this menu, in English menu, if he went to English menu, he will hear this message. If you know that the extension number, press 1 or press 0 for help. That means after he get inside the English menu, he will hear another menu that tell him, if you know the extension number, press 1. Why? Because if you, after you press 1, then you will enter your extension number to go to any guest room inside the hotel, or to any office, administration office inside the hotel. Or press 0 for help. Help, it's mean for operator. So I will add here two numbers, two variables. Here's one is, call it extension or dial extension, or let's call it enter extension, it's better. Sorry. Enter extension, click on OK for press 1, or add, this is operator, OK, 0. So if he press 1, he will go to enter his extension number, or if he doesn't know the extension number, he can click 0, he can choose 0 and to go to the operator, and then operator, he will let him to go. So he will help him to go. So click on apply. Let's make label here again. Label is very important. Let's call it English menu label. Click on apply. Okay, so now we are going to configure the enter extension. So inside here, we are going to go to choose something called dial extension. So what is this dial extension? That get digit string. So inside this get digit string, so drag and drop here inside this. Yes, good. Expand this one, you will see successful timeout, unsuccessful. Okay, good. So right click here, I will show you something what is inside properties. Okay, properties here, you will see here, this is the result digit strings. We will put here is one variable. You will see also the prompt. Okay, you will see input. Okay, you will see filter, see many things here. So let's see something. This one we don't need to use. Delete, not this one, sorry. I think we are going to use get string. Actually, yes, here, because Steam Viewer I can't use small fonts, so click and drag here. Yes. Now before go to properties, we are going to go to use to create a prompt for this another English dial. I will call it English dial prompt. So if he choose the number 1 to enter the dial extension, he will hear string. So string, and the name of this string is this string for dial the extension. I will call it first, sorry, choose prompt, sorry about that. So so prompt, yes, and call it English dial parameter as well. So click on OK. So I created one for English. So if he click one, or if he choose one, he will switch him to dial extension. He will hear like please dial the extension number. So then he will dial the extension number. It's okay. So this is, I think, straightforward and it's clear. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, so this is, I will call now, go to right click, and yes, this is for prompt. Actually we are going to create a string also, so let's go to create string. Yes, string. Yes, this string I will call it dial extension. So this is, there is no parameters. I don't need parameters. The value is any number. You got it. So click on OK. So now I have the prompt for English dial, and I have also the string for that one. So click on the properties, right click, and get digit string properties. Let's go to prompt first. I will choose English dial prompt. What is it? Yes, here English dial, and click on general. Here is my result digits. It's dial extension, so I will click on this. I will choose dial extension here. Now go to input. What we got here, we have initial timeouts 5 seconds, and enter digits time at 3 seconds, maximum entries. Anyway, keep it as default. There's no problem. Here is the question here. Here is, it will give you the many options here. It will give you, you want to caller to click on any number on the keypad, or you want just to make specific number. I will make it any number. Here is also, but I don't want to ABCD to click on AB to D or hash key or stars, so I don't want to click on this. There is an option also. There is option if the dialer or the caller, he wants to dial the extension number, and after he dial the extension number, he must terminate it by hash key digits. So this one I don't need it. After you click, after you enter the number, then press hash key. I don't need. After you click, actually my extension numbers here is 4 extension numbers. So after you did that, you have to specify it as 4 digits, because my all extension in my project is just 4 digits. If you have 4, you have to if you have 5, you can choose 5. You have 10, you can choose 10. Otherwise, if you have 15, you can choose 15, but it's better to use terminated by hash key, because you don't want the caller to wait. So cancel digits start. There is no problem, keep it. Okay, I will make a label for this. It's very important. This label, I will call it English dial label. Okay, click on apply and click on OK. So now I created this. I create this digit extension, enter the extension number, and digit string. It's already configured, but I have this. Okay, so if it's successful, I will forward this number to the destination. So I have here to use call redirect inside call contact. I think it's called contact. Yes, there is call redirect. Click and drop here. Here is this. You have to play with something interesting here. right click on the call redirect, click properties. My destination is dial extension, so my destination is dial extension, yes, and click on apply and click on OK. That means if you click number 1 after you choose the English menu, you will choose number 1 to dial the extension number, then you will dial the extension number. If the extension number is correct and it's in the range in your call manager, then the call manager will forward it to or redirected to the exact extension number what you would dial it. Okay, so this is very interesting. Now you can also do something. I will do something interesting here inside successful. Also you can use something after you dial the digits. You will hear something like called the readback telephone number. So after the caller, he, for example, he choose 2001, then after that he will hear you dialed 2001, then it will go. So this one we call it readback. So I will do it here. It's very nice. You can go to prompt readback. It's where is it? It's up here. Sorry, this is very slow. Contact prompt. Yes, this one created and create generated prompt. Choose and drop it and under successful. Okay, this successful is, we call it, you can choose like right click, go to properties, and go to choose the generator type. I will choose generator type telephone number. Yes, and the constructor type is number. Okay, and here is the number. What I will choose the dial extension string, what I did it before. Yes, my dial extension. Click on apply, then click on OK. Here is output prompt. Is very important. There is no output prompt. I will create a special output prompt. I will create special output prompt. Is better. Yes, click on this and prompt, and I will call this one prompt read back. Parameters, there is no need to parameters. Okay, now you can see it. I think you have to see it. Prompt read back, nothing. Okay, maybe I need to click on apply. I have to choose this. I can't go until you choose prompt read back. Okay, anyway, click on OK. If he give you the same message, click on OK. Okay, again I can't, so I have to cancel first, then go back again. No props, properties, choose telephone number again, or generator type, and here is the number by default. Okay, number, choose the string of dial extension string. So go to dial extension. That means I need my system to pronounce or spell my number. So here's, you will see, yes, prompt read back. It's the output. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay, so this is all things. Another thing, I will go to play prompt. This one I will choose it, put it here inside. In this play prompt I will choose the prompt readback properties. Okay, so prompt is prompt readback. Yes, last one. Click on apply, then click on OK. So now click on save it. Let's see, let's make validate. Let's see we have any issues or not in our scripts. Yes, you see here now script validation succeeded, so I don't have any problem with these scripts. So you will get, let's explain it again. You will go to start. First you will accept the calling, then you will go to main menu label. That this main menu, it will welcome message, and it will, if you want to change the language, if you want to continue in English language, press 1. After you press 1, you will go to English menu label. Then in English menu label you will hear another message. This message, it will tell you, if you want, if you know the extension number, press 1 or press 0 for help. If you press 1, you will go to another menu or to another option, and inside this option you have to enter the extension number. And this extension number, after you dial the extension number from 4 digits, you will hear it. You will hear these numbers. If you dialed 111, you will hear 111. So then it will the call will redirect to the exact extension what you dialed. So this is inside here. Now inside operator, let's suppose here I will create a string for operator. So string, choose type is string. String is, I will call it operator, and this operator is this operator number. I will choose it, sorry, examination. Okay, this quotation mark, then A201, because all my extension in this project is start for 8 without parameter. Click on OK. Okay, so this is very easy. Now if the caller, he press 0, he doesn't know the extension number, so he wants to go to operator to help him. So he will press 0. After he press 0, he will redirect to this number. So it's easy. Now call redirect, this one, sorry. Okay, this one, call redirect, drag and drop inside the operator, and after he click 0, right click in call redirect and call it and switch it to this string, operator string. So go to destination, you will find it here, operator, click on apply, then OK. So now this is our string for English menu. The same thing for Arabic menu. The same thing, you are going to add Arabic menu, the same thing, the same concept. So I will not just do it from scratch. I will make copy and paste the same, but I will change the name. So I will go to add here Arabic menu. I will go to add prompt, and this prompt I will call it Arabic menu with parameter also. Yes, click on OK. Add another one. This is for Arabic dial. I will call it Arabic dial, parameter also. Click on OK. So here's, because I have English menu and English dial, I will have Arabic menu and Arabic dial. So it's very straightforward, so there is no issue about this. But I will change the configuration here. Click on right, properties. First I will change the label from English menu label. I will call it Arabic menu label. Yes. Then change the prompt. Prompt is Arabic menu. Yes. Filter, enter the extension number the same and operator the same. There's no issue. Click on apply and okay. Okay, so go inside here and also change the string, digit string, properties, come on, yes, go to label. Here is this, I will call it Arabic dial label. Yes, the result, the digit string the same, dials extension, prompt it will change just to Arabic dial. Yes, the same thing, 4 digits, maximum 4 digits for me, and there is no terminating digits. Click on apply. Yes, and click on OK. The operator the same, so I think we finish our string. Let's make save and let's validate it if it's correct or not, if we have some issue or not. So validate. Yes, so I don't have any issue about my script, so click on OK. So now we are, I think we finished, just we need to test it. We are going to apply this script inside the UCCX. So we will go to UCCX side. Okay, so go to, let's make logout first. I will pause just the video for a moment. Okay, now click on login. Yes, here is actually I recorded all files, so you can record it, you can create the voice file yourself. I already did it here. If you go to prompt, I save it and copy it here. This is my prompt. So this is Arabic dial. This is a WAV file, WAV file. So Arabic dial, Arabic menu, English dial, English menu, and welcome main menu. So inside this one is specific language or specific description for this menu. So this is very easy. There is no problem about it. There is no issue. You have to prepare it before you start your script. So click on application. I'll show you how to add this prompt in the UCCX. Here is you have script management and prompt management. First, we are going to add our script. So script management here, click on this. Come on, that'll be easy. Yes. Here is, you will see all my script. My script is script 1. You see here, it's already here. If you didn't save it inside the default, you have to add it manually by upload script. But I don't like this. I have to go and save it in the default folder. So it's easy, I think. So my script is here, script number 1. This is what I need to choose, script number 1. Okay. Now, script 1 or 2? What is the name? Just, I'm confusing. I think script 2, the name of our script. Yes, script 2, sorry. So we're going to use script 2. Okay. So our script 2 is here. So there is no issue. We have it. Now I will show you how to add also or upload your prompt. click on applications again and choose prompt management. Inside this prompt management you can add whatever prompt or whatever welcome message you have. Okay, inside you will see default, you will see English language, another language. I will upload it inside default. Click on default and you will see my script or my prompt languages, prompt messages, sorry, inside. So just come on. Sorry, I'm thirsty. Yes, here you will see it. You will see welcome main menu. That means it will choose you, it will let you to choose if you want to continue in English, press 1. If you press 1 you will go to English menu. Then inside English menu you will hear, if you know that the extension number, this English menu, it will let you to hear, if you know the extension number, press 1 or press 0 for help. Then if you press 1 to dial the extension number, you will hear this English dial. It will call, it will let you, it will inform you that please dial the extension. So this one, and this one the same in Arabic. So I can't speak in Arabic, so if any viewers in Arabic, they will understand now. Okay, so this is application and prompt. So we are going to application menu again, and we are going to create a new application management, a new extension or a new number for our script. Show you how to do it. Yes, I have two here, but I don't want to use them. I will create it from first step. Okay, add new. We will use a new application list. So click on add new. Then he will ask you to choose the application type. I will choose Cisco Script application. Click on next. Okay, then you will see here is the name of your application. I will call it script, or I call it test script. Okay, here is the ID. I choose 0 and 1. You can choose 2, but don't choose any ID you used before, just in case 3. Maximum number of session you can use 30, because this is my license 30. And here is, I will use the script. You can click on this. You will see your script is script 2. Script 2 is here. See, click on this. Then you will see all your prompt messages. Yes, as you see here, you will see the main welcome, and you will see English menu, English dial, Arabic menu, and Arabic dial. So I will click on this main menu, and I will choose the prompt. The prompt is main welcome prompt. Main welcome. It's not here, it's down maybe. Yes. Select. Yes, I will choose the English menu also. Show prompt, English menu. Yes, select. English dial. Prompt. Yes, I will pause just the video just to. So I added all WAV files, welcome main menu, English menu and English dial, Arabic menu and Arabic dial. So after finish this, click on add. Okay, after you added, here you have to see, but I don't have any trigger, so you have to add a new trigger. Click on this. Okay, trigger type, this one, unified call manager telephony trigger. Click on next. Okay, now directory number, I will choose, this is my, I have actually 300 SIP phone number from the service provider. I will choose any one of them. You can choose any directory number you need. So I will choose 6101. So if anyone he dialed this 6101, it will convert him this welcome message. So the system, the language, system default, I will not change anything. Device name, I will call it, this is test script, description test. Okay, call control group, it's nothing, you have to use, sorry, this unified call manager telephony group. So click on add. Okay, now we added the dial. So if you dial this number, you will go to the main telephone number of your system, then you will get the welcome message. But before that, if you remember, we didn't finish yet. So inside the script, we are going to add something, small things. So this small thing is very important. Click on CCX editor again. Okay, inside this, if you remember here, in the main menu, we added to change language. If you change language, if you press 1, you will go to the English menu. Is that right? Sorry, what is this? Go back. Yes. And if it's timeout for 3 seconds, it will convert you or switch you to the English, to the Arabic menu, sorry. So, but here is, it's correct. If you click 1, you will change the language, but I will choose this, go to. Actually, this is my way and I tried it, it's successful. Let's go to. Now right click. If you click 1, okay, if you click 1, you will go to the English menu, and here is, it will go to the English menu label. Yes, apply. Okay, and if I didn't click anything, I just didn't click anything, and it is timeout for 3 seconds, it will let me go to Arabic menu. So I will go to right click, go to Arabic menu label. Okay, so click on save. After anything you want to change in the script here, you have to save it, make validate. Okay, then go to UCCX and make update. This is very important, you have to make update here to apply any changes you configured inside here. So this one is correct. So we are going to test our script. So here is, I will show you how to make debugging. So first I will prepare my phone. I will call to the hotel number, to the main hotel number from my cell phone, because I already have SIP phone and SIP number in the hotel, so I will use it. So close this first, then go to debug and choose reactive script. click or choose script name is script 2. It's our script. Yes, and wait time is around 30 seconds. You can choose it. Okay, click on OK and start ringing to my hotel phone number. Yes, you see now, still ringing now. Okay, now start debug. You will hear that.
Welcome to Hyatt Millennium Hotel. To continue in English, press 1.
Now he asked me to press 1. If you continue, of course I will continue. Press 1.
To dial the extension number, press 1 or press 0 for help.
He switch me to the English menu and he asked me if I know the
Are you still there?
Yes. Yes, I will dial.
To dial the extension number, press 1.
Okay. This is number 1.
Dial the extension number.
Okay, I will dial the extension number. My dial is 8204.
8204.
This is the prompt feedback, remember? Now to redirect to contact is okay. So it's finished. Okay. So now let's try our close it. Stop. Yes, stop the debugging. Close again and go to debug again. Reactive, I will try the operator. If I don't know the extension number, I will go to operator. Reactive script. Okay, I will choose script number 2. Okay, and 30 seconds. Okay. Nothing specified why. Okay, let's choose 15. What is this message? Okay, 15. Click on OK. Okay, now dial. Okay, now start debug. Play on the debug. Yes, now.
Welcome to Hyatt Millennium Hotel. To continue in English, press 1.
Okay, I will press 1.
To dial the extension number, press 1 or press 0 for help.
Okay, I will press 0 to go to the help, to the operator. Press 0. Now he convert me to operator. See, my operator is 8201. So you're ringing to 8201. Now this is just that's it. So now let's try the Arabic menu. Okay, close it again. Debug again. Reactive. Script 2. Yes. Wait time is 15. Click on OK. Okay, now call. Yes. Start debug.
Welcome to Hyatt Millennium Hotel. To continue in English, press 1.
I will not press 1. I will wait just 3 seconds to convert me to Arabic.
مرحبا بكم في فندق الميلينيوم في مدينة حائل. إذا كنت تعرف الرقم الفرعي اضغط 1 أو اضغط 0 للمساعدة.
Okay, he asked me to press 1 if I know the dial. Okay, I press 1.
لرجاء إدخال الرقم الفرعي.
Okay, my 8206.
8 2 0 6.
Now it's calling. So this is the Arabic and it's okay. So I think is good and is enough. And this is our script. It's very clear, very straightforward. Everything is clear. Every question are welcome in my Facebook account or my Google Plus or YouTube channel. So I'm very glad to see you, and I hope to see you again in the next tutorials. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.